combine English, Dutch, and Kurdish. In English, to go, this is a kind of verb. In Dutch, gaan, to go, gaan. In Kurdish, çun, çuyin, to go, gaan, çun. In English, I go, I go. In Dutch, ik ga. In Kurdish, as the chim. I go, ik ga, as the chim. In English, I'm going now. I am going now. In Dutch, ik ga nu. In Kurdish, as naha de chim, as nuki de chim, as anha de chim, as esta de chim. In English, you go. In Dutch, jij gaat. In Kurdish, to the chi. You go. Jij gaat. To the chi. Let's look at in English, in Dutch, and in Kurdish how to use go. You are going now. In Dutch, jij gaat nu. In Kurdish, to nahadachi. To nahadachi. Jij gaat nu. You go now. In English, he goes. In Kurdish, hij gaat. In Dutch, hij gaat. In Kurdish, oudeche. He goes in English, hij gaat in Dutch. In Kurdish, oudeche. He's going now in English. Hij gaat nu in Dutch. أو نهادچه in Kurdish. Yes everyone, we are learning 3 languages together in one lesson. So that I know that that's a little bit difficult to learn all 3 languages together, but we will try and learn and we will get more information about all 3 languages together. She goes, zij gaat, oudeche. She goes, zij gaat, oudeche. Learn English, Dutch, and Kurdish. She is going now. Zij gaat nu. oudeche. She is going now. Zij gaat nu. oudeche. In English, it goes. In Dutch, het gaat. In Kurdish, oudeche. In Kurdish language, for he, she, it, we use always ou. In English, it goes. In Dutch, het gaat. In Kurdish, oudeche. اولین هجا کام بنرن به سرزمان انگلیسی It's going now به هلندی و به کردی چیه؟ به هلندی het gaat nu. به کردی او نهادچه. به انگلیسی It is going now. Hoi allemaal, ik hoop dat je Nederlands, Engels en Koerse leren met deze les. In English, we go. In Dutch, wij gaan. In Kurdish, oudeche. Now we are looking for plural, so that for we use go. For wij, we gebruiken gaan. Je de che en bekartinen. In English, we are going now. In Dutch, wij gaan nu. In Kurdish, oudeche. We are going now. Wij gaan nu. Em niha diçin. In English, you go for plural. In Dutch, jullie gaan. In Kurdish, hun diçin. You go, jullie gaan, hun diçin. Learn English, Dutch and Kurdish. این بونا زمانی هولندی انگلیزی و کردی. Laten we Nederlands, Engels en Kursetal leren. You are going now. Jullie gaan nu. Hun niha diçin. You are going now. Jullie gaan nu. Hun niha diçin. In English, they go. In Dutch, zij gaan. In Kurdish or in Kurdish, اونا diçin. زمان انگلیزی و هلندی و کردی ام به هفدرا هین دبنه. Ja allemaal, ik hoop dat je leert en je gaat goede talen leren met deze les. They are going now. Zij gaan nu. Evna niha diçin. Online English, Dutch and Kurdish. Now we are going to learn or pronounce in English, in Dutch and in Kurdish with go. In English, to go, go, goes. In Dutch, gaan, ga, gaat. In Kurdish, çuyin, çun, diçim, diçi, diçe, diçin. So that let's repeat it again. To go, gaan. Çuyin, go, ga, diçim, goes, gaat, diçe. En gaan, diçin. To go, go, goes. Gaan, ga, gaat. Çuyin, diçim, diçi, diçe, diçin. از گلک سپاس دکم جبو تماشا کردنا و زور سپاس بو هاتنا و از هیوی دارم هونه ببینه آبونه و قناله و پسکری خود گیم نکنم کرم آخوا بشو بینین آبونه ببین و به عجبینین. Thank you very much for your watching and I hope that you enjoy from this lesson so that if you like this, please do not forget to reply respond for this channel as a like, as comment giving and as sharing. Hartstikke bedankt voor het kijken en ik ben erg blij om je te zien hier je kijken deze les. Dus tot de volgende les.